हेलो एवरीवन। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे टॉपिक क्रेडिट रेटिंग सिंबल्स। तो क्रेडिट रेटिंग करती हैं क्रेडिट रेटिंग एजेंसीज, क्रेडिट रेटिंग कंपनीज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ सिंबल। दी सिंबल्स आर ऑफ डिफरेंट कैटेगरीज. Credit rating is divided into high investment grade, speculative grade, and poor grade. So different credit rating companies in India make use of different symbols for different grade of rating. CRISIL credit rating scale. Rating for long term instrument, CRISIL AAA. This is for highest safety. Instruments with this rating are considered to have the highest degree of safety regarding timely servicing of financial obligations. So such instruments carry lower credit risk. Then is CRISIL AA, high safety. Instruments with this rating are considered to have high degree of safety regarding time servicing of financial obligation. और इन इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स का जो क्रेडिट रिस्क होता है वो लो होता है. नेक्स्ट इज क्रिसाइल ए, एडिक्वेट सेफ्टी. Instruments with this rating are considered to have adequate degree of safety regarding timely servicing of financial obligations, and such instruments carry low credit risk. Then is CRISIL BBB. This is for moderate safety. Instruments with this rating are considered to have moderate degree of safety regarding timely servicing of financial obligations. Such instruments carry moderate credit risk. Then is CRISIL BB, moderate risk. Is instruments with this rating are considered to have moderate risk of default regarding timely servicing of financial obligation. Then CRISIL B, it is high risk. CRISIL C, very high risk. CRISIL D, instruments with this rating are in default or are expected to be in default soon. So this is CRISIL D. Then is rating for fixed deposits, FAAA. This is for highest safety. This rating indicates the degree of safety regarding timely payment of interest and payment principal is very strong. So this is FAAA, which indicates highest safety. Then is FAA, which considered as high safety. This rating indicates the degree of safety regarding timely payment of interest and principal is strong. Then is FA. This indicates that degree of safety regarding timely payment of interest and principal is satisfactory. FB, which indicates inadequate safety. This rating indicates inadequate safety of timely payment of interest and principal. Then is FC. This rating indicates the degree of safety regarding timely payment of interest and principal is doubtful, that is high risky. तो प्रिंसिपल और इंटरेस्ट की दोनों की पेमेंट जो है वो उसमें रिस्क ज़्यादा है, सो इट इज़ डाउटफुल. देन इज FD. दिस रेटिंग इंडिकेट्स दैट फिक्स्ड डिपॉजिट्स आर आइदर इन डिफॉल्ट और आर एक्सपेक्टेड टू बी इन डिफॉल्ट अपॉन मैच्योरिटी. देन इज NM. It is not meaningful. This include reorganization or liquidation of issuer and the obligation being under dispute in court of law or before a statutory authority. So it is not meaningful.